In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Monday.com form public in 5 minutes. Monday.com, with its versatile platform, allows teams to streamline workflows, communicate more efficiently, and manage tasks seamlessly. An integral part of this powerful tool is its form feature, which can be used for everything from gathering feedback to onboarding new clients. But what if you want to share a form outside your organization? Maybe you're looking to collect responses from people who aren't part of your Monday.com workspace? Well, you're in the right place, because I'm going to walk you through the process of making a Monday.com form public. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account. Once you've landed on the home page, take a moment to navigate through your workspace and locate the specific form you wish to make public. Remember, all your projects and tasks are organized into boards, so you'll find your form within one of these. After you've selected your form, look towards the upper right corner of the interface. You'll see 3 vertically aligned dots, sometimes referred to as the More Options menu. A single click here will unfold a variety of options, marking the beginning of our journey to publicize your form. From the array of choices now visible, gently hover your mouse over Settings. This action doesn't require a click. A simple hover will reveal yet another set of options. It's all about navigating through Monday.com S-layered menus to get to our destination as smoothly as possible. As you hover over the Settings option, you'll come across another intriguing choice. Change board type. Again, no clicks just yet. This is Monday.com S way of offering a wide range of customization options, ensuring that each board serves its exact purpose within your workflow. Now it's finally time to take action. From the submenu that appeared when you hovered over Change board type, go ahead and click on Change to Main. With this click, you're instructing Monday.com to transform your currently private form into something more accessible. This step is crucial because it signifies the shift from a restricted view meant only for team members to a broader one that can be accessed by anyone with the link. You might be wondering, what exactly happens when I change my board to main? Well, it's quite straightforward. Changing your board to main essentially modifies its privacy settings, transitioning the board from being visible only to specific individuals or teams within your organization to being publicly accessible. Following your click on Change to Main, you'll be prompted one last time to confirm your decision. This is Monday.com, making sure you understand the implications of your action. Once you click on Change Board to Main again in this confirmation step, your form will officially become public. What you've just done is opened up your form to the world. Anyone with the link can now access and fill in your form, making it an invaluable tool for gathering insights, feedback, or information from a wider audience. This feature is perfect for customer surveys, event signups, or public feedback collections, providing you with diverse data to inform your decisions and strategies. Before we wrap up, a word of caution. With great power comes great responsibility. Make sure you're fully aware of the type of information you're collecting through your public form and ensure it aligns with privacy laws and regulations. It's also a good idea to periodically review who has access to the data collected through your form, maintaining the security and privacy of your respondents. And there you have it. You now know how to make a Monday.com form public in just a few straightforward steps. Whether you're looking to engage with a broader audience, collect data more efficiently, or simply share your form outside your immediate team, these steps will help you achieve just that. Remember, Monday.com is a platform that thrives on customization and flexibility, so don't be afraid to explore and tailor everything to your team's needs. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to navigate Monday.com and other productivity tools efficiently. Happy form sharing!